Hello everyone. आज ना, we're going on a special mission. We're going to uncover the secrets of something with a truly incredible memory. A memory so good, it never ever forgets. Chalo, let's get started.
So, let me ask you something. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you've lost your favorite toy and just can't find it anywhere? या फिर you forgot about some important homework? I'm sure it's happened. It happens to me too.
Exactly. It happens to absolutely everyone. हम सब इंसान हैं. And forgetting little things is a totally normal part of being human. So don't even worry about it. It's completely okay.
But what if I told you that in the animal kingdom, there's a real memory champion? एक ऐसा animal है that's famous for never ever forgetting anything. Any guesses what it could be?
That's right. It's the elephant. You've probably heard this. Elephants are just legendary for their amazing memory. People even have a saying, an elephant never forgets. It's believed that they remember, well, everything.
Okay, now here's a tricky one. We humans have also built something that has a super memory, just like an elephant. What do you think it is? I'll give you a second to think about it.
Did you get it? If you guessed the computer, you are absolutely right. A computer has its own kind of brain, and its incredible memory has a very special name. It's called strong memory.
So, you can think of it like this. In the animal kingdom, the elephant is the champion with its great memory, and in the tech world, the computer is the champion with its strong memory. See the connection? Okay, but what is this strong memory? What makes a computer's memory so special and so powerful? Come on, let's dig a little deeper and find out.
Well, a computer's strong memory has some awesome powers. First, it can store a huge, and I mean huge, amount of data. We're talking books, photos, games, everything. And second, it remembers every single little detail perfectly. हर छोटी से छोटी चीज उसको याद रहती है.
But wait, there's one more thing. It's the final piece of the puzzle that makes its memory so incredible. And, honestly, this is the most important part of all.
It never forgets. Just think about that for a second. Any information you save on a computer, it stays there forever, exactly as you left it, unless, of course, you decide to delete it. Okay, so a computer has a strong memory. That's cool, but so what? How does this actually help us in our daily lives? Let's check out some real-life examples that you'll totally get. Imagine this. You're playing your favorite game and you finally beat that super difficult level. What's the first thing you do? You hit save, right? The moment you click that button, the computer's strong memory just locks in your progress. So next time you play, you can start right where you left off. And it's not just for games. The computer's memory is what stores all your precious photos and videos. It remembers all your amazing drawings and important school projects. And yep, it even keeps track of your secret passwords and all your high scores. Sab kuch bilkul safe and sound rehta hai.
All right, that was a lot of cool stuff. Now, so that we don't forget, let's do a super quick recap of everything we just learned. Ready?
First up, we learned that we humans, well, we sometimes forget things, and that is totally okay.
Then, we met the memory champion of the animal world, the elephant, which is famous for its great memory.
And here's the biggest takeaway from today. Computers have a strong memory. They can store tons of data, they remember every single detail, and most importantly, they never ever forget.
And that's our mission complete. I really hope you had fun discovering the secrets behind a computer's super memory. I'll see you in the next one.